Introducing the INZONE M10S Mark II, Sony's flagship OLED gaming monitor. Developed in collaboration with the world-class esports team Fnatic, the M10S Mark II was shaped by pro-level insight for players competing at the highest level. With an astonishing 540Hz refresh rate, up to 720Hz in dual mode, and a lightning-fast 0.02 millisecond response time, every frame feels instant. Powered by tandem OLED for incredible contrast, vibrant colour covering 99.5% of DCI-P3, and up to 1500 nits peak brightness, the M10S Mark II delivers a stunning visual experience. New for this model is a super anti-glare film that significantly reduces reflections, helping you stay focused during critical moments. A compact base gives you more space for your setup, while height, swivel and increased tilt makes it easy to find the perfect position.